How to build your list using solo ads. Solo ads is one of the most powerful way to build your list, and in this video I will teach you how to build your list using solo ads. So let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to this course in which I'm going to be talking about my favorite traffic source, which is solo ads. Well, at least it's one of my favorite traffic sources out there because it's just so darn easy. Anybody can start generating traffic today with solo ads. So it's great if you're a beginner, if you're just getting started in internet marketing and you want to start generating some income or building a list. And solo ads is also great for all types of marketers, whether you're an intermediate or experienced marketer. You know, solo ads is great for everybody and you can profit from it if you do it right. And I've built my list, well, actually a large portion of my list, through solo ads. Now, there's lots of courses out there on how to get traffic with solo ads, but you know, there's been lots of changes over the years, so a course such as this is needed. This video is mainly for people who are new to solo ads. So if you already have experience buying solo ads, you can skip this video. So what are solo ads? Solo ads is when you buy traffic from someone who has an existing email list of subscribers. You pay them to send an email to the list promoting your product, which is most of the time it's going to be a free product that you're offering on a squeeze page, because 99% of people who buy solo ads use it for list building purposes, so they give away free items. Now you pay them based on how many clicks you will get. Okay, so if you were to buy a solo ad, say from me, you would basically specify how many clicks you would want. You could buy 20 clicks, 50 clicks, 100 clicks, or several thousand clicks, depending on the size of that person's list. Okay, and the price range is usually anywhere between 60 cents and $1 per click. The pros and cons of solo ads. The pros of doing solo ads is that you get instant traffic, and it's actually one of the fastest ways that I know of to get traffic. Unlike Facebook ads, you don't have to worry about creating a banner ad, finding the right image, and getting approved by Facebook. You don't have to worry about getting banned by Facebook. Okay, so basically you don't have to be a marketing genius to buy solo ads. You just buy clicks from somebody and drive the traffic to your squeeze page. Okay, another pro or benefit of buying solo ads is that the people that you get on your list have already proven to have the desire to click on links in emails, because basically that's how they got to your offer, is by clicking on a link in an email. And so this is great for you if you plan to promote to your list with affiliate marketing and promoting affiliate offers to your list. Now, the cons of solo ads is that the quality of the traffic is lower than other sources of traffic, such as Facebook ads, media buys, and selling your own products. Because when you sell your own products, you get a list of buyers. Those generally are more responsive and have a higher value. Another con of buying solo ad is that the people that you get on your list will most likely be on several other marketers' lists. Alright, so before you start sending traffic, you have to make sure that you have a good funnel in place and that your offer is something that the market wants. Okay, so you need an offer that will convert, and you need a good squeeze page. Actually, the more simple the squeeze page is and the less text there is, the better. Okay, now make sure to track, test, and tweak your offer so you can continually improve the conversion rates. And your conversion rate will vary, so it could range anywhere from 10% to 50%. It all depends on the solo ad vendor that you buy from. Reasons for having low conversion rates may be the low quality of their list, or maybe your offer is just not right for their list, or maybe there may be something wrong with the email swipes that you gave them. Okay, now don't be discouraged if you sometimes have low conversion rates, because that's just the name of the game with solo ads. You will, whenever you buy solo ads, from time to time you will get low conversion rates. Like I said, your offer just may not have been right with that vendor's list. Okay, so make sure to have a back-end offer in place, such as a one-time offer or a follow-up email, so that you can make sales immediately and recuperate your solo ad costs. Many solo ad buyers have their strategies on how to build a list effectively. So, everybody has different methods. I'm just going to share some of my strategies in this quick video. When I'm buying solo ads, I try to buy multiple solo ads from multiple vendors spread out over different days, so that I have fresh leads on a daily basis that I can market to. Because basically I try to promote an affiliate product every day. If I can, I try to promote an affiliate product every day to my list. So it helps to have fresh leads every day seeing my latest promotions. Okay, now if you're just starting out, buy small amounts of clicks, such as 20 or 50 clicks from each vendor, because what usually happens is that they will over deliver, and in the long run your cost per click will be much lower. Okay, so for example, if you buy 20 clicks, most likely whoever you buy 20 clicks from is going to send you a lot more than 20. He may send you 25 or 30 clicks. Okay, so he might end up sending you 50% more than you ordered. So, if you order just say 100 clicks from another person, they may just over deliver by 1 click or 5 clicks. Okay, so the percentage of the over delivery will be much higher when you're buying small amounts of clicks from the solo ad sellers or vendors. Okay, now you do not want to get burned, so stay away from buying large amounts of clicks right away, especially if you're just starting out. Okay, so start buying large amounts from people only once you get to know them. If you've bought solo ads from them in the past and you're happy with the results, and if you trust the person. Okay, and reinvest your profits into buying more solo ads, because what you will see is a compounding effect. And I also try to read the vendor's profile first. If I'm on a solo ad network, I try to read their profile to see what type of subscribers they may have, and if my offer is suitable for their list. Now, if you're not in a network, a solo ad network, you could ask the vendor if they think your offer will be suitable to your list, or try to do your own research on that vendor or solo ad seller. Okay, so this is udemy.com, and this is a site where you can buy and sell solo ads. I have been using this for years and I highly recommend it. And one of the great things about this site is that they have a rating system, so you can rate other people based on how good the transaction was. Okay, another thing that these guys are good at is that they're one of the best at protecting you from fraudulent and useless clicks. Okay, and for an extra cost, you can also exclude certain types of clicks. So let me give you an example. Let's take a look here. I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, and I'm just looking at a list of sellers here. Let me just go back here. Okay, so this is a list of sellers. Just click on find sellers, and let's just click on the first one here, Darren Hartley. As you can see, you can choose the dates, the number of clicks. Right now, has 44 cents per click. That's how much he's charging. Although, if you buy more, I'm sure he will give you a discount. Okay, never mind that. But what I want to show you is right here. You can choose for an extra cost. Here it's 15 cents. you can choose to filter out any clicks coming from phones and tablets, no proxy, or maybe you only want top tier clicks, so that's an extra 7 cents. And top tier clicks are anybody from the countries of USA, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Singapore. Okay, or maybe you don't want any corporate connections, as it says here. Only visitors from the home or mobile internet connections will pass, and also no visitors from websites. So basically only visitors with email or non-referrer will pass. Yeah, another great thing about this site is they have a forum where you can network and also get tips from other solo ad buyers and sellers. Okay, so this site here is CLICKFUNNELS.com, and this is a solo ad network similar to Udemy.com, and they do have the similarities. They do, just like Udemy.com, they do have a rating system. Now, what I find different about this, how they are different, is that ClickFunnels, on this site, you could actually buy solo ads for different niches. You have a greater variety to choose from. On Udemy, it's mainly for the internet marketing crowd. There may be some health niche solo ad sellers on there, but you're going to find a greater variety on ClickFunnels.com. So let's just log in, just take a quick look here. Now, I've just opened up an account with them, so I'm not familiar with ClickFunnels. Udemy is a site that I mainly use, so I highly recommend that, but I've heard great things about this new solo ad network site. And as you can see here, let's just take a look at the niches that are available. There's beauty, business opportunity, dating, health and wellness, internet marketing, investing and trading, personal development, personal finance, survival, technology, weight loss, women health, and even woodworking. Now let's just talk about other solo ad sources. In other videos I talked about the solo ad networks, and those are actually my favorite ways of finding solo ad sellers. But there's other ways too. For example, you could go on Facebook and do a search for solo ad testimonial groups. And the great thing about these groups is that you can see what other people are saying about their solo ad experience, and people in these groups know each other very well, so it's hard to get scammed in these groups. Another way you can find solo ad sellers is by going to the Wire Forum. Just go to wireforum.com and go to the classified ads section. You can also go to Google and look for other people or other marketers that are in your niche. So you're going to want to do this especially if you cannot find solo ad sellers that are in your niche. For example, you may be in a niche such as, say, so let's just say off the top of my head, you're in the bowling niche. Okay, so I have yet to see a solo ad seller in the bowling niche in those solo ad networks that I mentioned in the other video. So you may want to go on Google and do a search for bowling author or bowling books or bowling blogs. Try to find any business or marketer that is in your niche that may have a list, and then try to contact them and see if they could send out a solo ad for you. Okay, another way you could find solo ad sellers is by going on ClickBank, and this is a great way actually to find solo ad sellers who have buyer lists, because on ClickBank, as you know, it is where people are selling digital products.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, go to johnvianney.com, submit your name and email, and learn the step-by-step method, the step-by-step process in order to make money online, promoting other people's products and getting commissions, high-ticket affiliate marketing. Go to johnvianney.com and see you in the next video.